A 2-hectare civic complex or civic hub will be developed only here again in Nuvali, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. So if you are still not contented with all the developments na nangyayari ngayon dito sa area, especially the SM Yulo Premier, the high-end luxury Japanese condominium, and other commercial development na mag-a-up ng market value ng properties nyo, well, this 2-hectare civic hub that will house convention center, sports facilities, city one-stop shop, and a command center will really cement the development only here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, and first, you will hear it first on our YouTube channel, the latest development only here in Nuvali, but now they partnered with the Santa Rosa local government unit, no? And I'm very excited for this kasi mismong ako investor dito, at of course, mas natutuwa ako sa mga nagtiwala sa akin, mga investors natin, not just here in the Philippines, but Filipinos abroad na naglulok ng passive income or a retirement property. Yes, they continue to deliver this promise. Bukod sa mga existing na naglalakihang developments right now, ito nga, no, magkakaroon tayo ng civic hub or civic complex dito sa area. At sobrang natutuwa lang ako, guys, no, na pinagkatiwalaan niyo ako dito kasi lagi kong sinasabi na kapag bumili tayo sa township development, estate development, katulad ng Nuvali, katulad ng Greenfield City, at kung ano-ano namang township development dito sa Santa Rosa, yes, higher yung price niya kaysa sa mga ibang projects, no, na wala sa estate development or township. So, anong ibig sabihin ng township? Ibig sabihin nun, direct, gagawa kami ng sarili nating city for you. Hindi lang subdivision or yung mismong project yung bibilin mo, pero paglabas mo, nandyan na lahat ng kailangan mo. Nandyan ang hospitals, shopping malls, at kung ano-ano pa. Ngayon nga, civic complex magkakaroon na din tayo. And you are getting what you pay for. Kasi, pwede talagang bumaba ang market value ng property mo. O, Jaire, lagi mo sinasabi kapag real estate, pataas, no? Ba't ngayon pwedeng bumaba yung market value ng property mo? I'm studying right now, meron tayong tinatawag na principle of inferiority, na kapag bumili ka ng property, for example, bumili ka lang ng lote, a parcel of land, pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa labas. Pero pag tinabihan ka ng mga, hindi ganun kagandahan na development, mahahatak, no, yung presyo or market value ng property mo. That's why it's very advantageous, no, or nasa advantage mo na bumibili ka ng property na nasa estate development kasi sa labas ng development mo, sa labas ng subdivision project, alam mo na napagagandahin ito ng big developer. Mas mataas man yung presyo, you are getting what you pay for, at ang mahalaga, pataas lagi ang market value or nag-a-appreciate lagi ang market value kasi alam mo na, nagmaganda yung magiging development at talagang hindi siya tatabihan ng kung anong, for example, pangit na development or kung anumang development yan na maghahatak pababa ng presyo ng property. Let's go back to this 2-hectare civic hub or civic complex. Number 1, they will build a convention center which will house a variety of events, concerts, cultural gatherings, at kung ano-ano pang mahalagang events or key events na mangyayari dito sa Santa Rosa. And of course, dahil sa lapit nito sa Manila, and they are transferring all the major events, hindi naman transfer, but of course, they are doing this para mas maging accessible sa buong Calabarzon or hindi lang tayo pupunta ng Manila just to, like for example, manood ng concert ng mga major events. Kasi right now nga, no, if you know TJ Monterde, the husband of KZ Tangdingan, nag-concert lang dito yon recently and sold out yung ticket niya, no, dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. And marami na rin tayong mga international artists, national artists like Sarah Geronimo Bamboo na concert na dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. And this convention center, no, dahil alam natin kung paano gumawa si Ayala Land, not just their residential but of course their estate development, commercial development, katulad nitong convention center. Malay mo, this will be the next major concert venue here in the Philippines next to Araneta Coliseum and Philippine Arena. And I am excited for this. Not just nakabili tayo for residential property here, but yung mga nag-invest dito for passive income. Dahil kapag tumaas, no, yung tourism natin for concerts, yung mga nakabili ng condo dito or yung mga nagbabalak bumili ng condo dito, the rental rate would go high and hindi tayo mawawala ng demand. Number 2, City One-Stop Shop. So this will be an efficient move for residents to efficiently access all the government services. Because right now, no, sa Manila, hiwa-hiwalay pa sila. The traffic, the experience, the hassle na nafe-feel nyo kasi magkahiwalay PRC, SSS, Pag-ibig at kung saan mo gustong pumunta. And putting a satellite offices na centralized, no, would be very helpful for the residents here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna because they don't need to go to Manila pa, no? Para makapag-asikaso para sa mga government offices just like SSS, kumuha ng pension, Pag-ibig for their home loans, PRC for their accreditation and renewal of their professional identification cards, even Bureau of Internal Revenues for their taxes. So, don't worry because talagang nagiging efficient na talaga, no? And self-sustaining yung operations dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. And it's very important, no? Government services are very important para at least, no, mas maging accessible sa atin yung mga kailangan natin. Number 3, sports facilities. So we all know on how Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna is promoting healthy living, a wide or a very big open space for bike trails and other active hobbies. Right now, they will add another sports facilities. So we can see here maybe a track oval, just like in Vermosa in Cavite, which is also an Ayala Land development. Maybe another trails for example, yoga, for tennis, and a lap pool. So, ang daming pwedeng mangyari dahil meron na tayong mga footprint or history on how Ayala develops their sports facilities. Not just here in Nuvali, this will not be their first time. If nakita niyo yung Vermosa, if nakita niyo yung ibang development nila when it comes to sports facilities, may golf club nga sila, right, sa Anvaya, sa Bataan, and in their developments in the north, just like in Pampanga. So, alam natin kung paano sila gumawa. And this is also what I like about Ayala Land kasi talagang binabalance nila. There is a principle of balance when it comes to buying a property na kailangan hindi ka puro residential. Kailangan hindi ka lang puro malls, hindi ka lang puro hospitals. You need to build schools, which is nandito na rin yung University Belt of the South, and now sports facilities yung kanilang i-highlight or yung kanilang i-expand. And lastly, command center. So this is a hub with advanced technologies ensuring that the government here in Santa Rosa will provide an efficient service and public safety here in the area. So what does it mean? So yung prevention natin when it comes to disaster risk and management, kapag of course hindi natin maiiwasan, no, if ever magkaroon ng natural disaster, meron tayong mga ganitong centers in order for, of course, no, Santa Rosa, for Nuvali, because this is a private-public venture na ma-ensure nila yung safety and yung preparedness sa mga ganitong calamities, no? Wag naman sana, pero hindi natin maiiwasan. For the residents of Santa Rosa City, Laguna, this is also one important aspect, no, kapag bibili tayo ng property. Kasi nagkakaroon na sila ng joint venture sa public government in which mas mapapalawak pa kung ano talaga yung plan, paano ma-maintain. Hindi lang private institution or big developers yung nag-maintain dito, but pati yung local government unit of Santa Rosa. So, sa mga nagbabalak bumili, sa mga nakabili na, guys, maniwala na po kayo kung gaano kaganda yung mangyayari dito sa Nuvali in the near future. If you are a type of property buyer na nag-i-invest lang, talagang puputok po yung presyo dito. If nakapag-invest ka ngayon, hintayin nyo lang, grabe na yung market value appreciation in the future. And of course, this is a bonus development again. Maririnig nyo ulit ngayon dito sa channel natin. Bukod sa Civic Hub, magkakaroon ng malaking sport facilities development sa Southmont. Southmont is also a development by Ayala Land, an 800-hectare development, joint venture of Ayala Land and Cathay Land, only 10 minutes away kay New Valley. So, hindi talaga isolated yung mga developments na nangyayari dito lang sa New Valley, dito lang sa Greenfield. 10 minutes away, may big developments na naman, no, by Ayala ulit. So imagine, malapit ito along the way papunta kay SM Yulo. So imagine kung gaano sunod-sunod yung development and yung plans here at nagmamaterialize siya because in Southmont, magkakaroon tayo ng modern sports center. Magkakaroon tayo ng world-class na track and field center, no? Magiging international talaga siya kasi ngayon nga, nagkakaroon ng beach volleyball international competitions dito sa New Valley. Magkakaroon tayo ng recreational facility. So, ang daming pagpipilian, ang daming nangyayari dito. Kaya, wag na talaga tayo magtaka kung mag-shoot up yung presyo dito in the near future, not just in residential, but of course, sa mga investors natin na nakapag-invest ng commercial properties just like commercial lots here in East Block. So if you are planning to buy properties here in the area, if talagang na-convince na kayo, no, sa mga nangyayari at mangyayari pa in the future on how valuable it is for you to position your investment and to diversify your real estate portfolio here in Santa Rosa, this is your perfect and your golden time to invest. We got a lot of pre-selling properties here, maybe in condominium. We have prime house and lot of Rockwell, and lot only, napakarami pa namin. Guys, I am here to help you, and I am here, no, para magkaroon kayo ng smart move when it comes to real estate investment. If you want to inquire, if you want me to help you to reach your next stage when it comes to buying or investing properties, you can directly contact me at my iMessage local mobile number, Viber and WhatsApp account. That is +63927 185 1590. Again, that is +63927 185-1590. I also have my business email, that is thepropertygeekph@gmail.com, Facebook page, The Property Geek, or you can directly message me at my personal Facebook account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaclar. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. So come home na sa aking first love na development, which is Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Again, this is Jaire Mamaclay, your property geek. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok at pagsuporta ng ating YouTube channel. Till our next vlog, and I am always inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to the beautiful city of Santa Rosa, Laguna.